Welcome to the DIY Health Science Toolkit. Been a while since we produced a demo, but let's see what we're up to. So still on the test. Self-verify your keys. Right. So very early days, but the idea is that a network experiment is made up of modules. So I've just got one exercise network experiment here, and I've just shown that it's made up of these modules, which are all these computational network reference layers, which then contain more information. And each of these modules will have KBIBs or knowledge bundle entries, and that will actually provide the cryptographic, but also the expanded knowledge to extract the data source, the data types, the tidying up, the error management, the visualization chosen, the computation source, etc. So there's a lot of work going on there. So we selected, and so here we come up with these modules. So again, I'm just highlighting them in red just to make it obvious. But so here we have the first one, and it's the module question. So this module is just a plain board, and it should obviously say the question there. This says controls, but it should actually say results. And so here's, again, not fully up. So this visualization is bringing in data, and it's a chart, and then you got the chart menu. So you can drag and drop these. So you can build up your own visualization. So what I usually do is have two variables, two averages, so I can then build this dashboard as I choose. So I could have 4 little summaries, and then I'll draggable, resizable, you save them, and so when you come back they're the way you want. So yeah, this should be in the results. And then you have error management. If it's a doctor use case, they may prescribe some lifestyle medicine or some educational material. You want to fork this experiment, and then this last one would be the code. Just like in YouTube, just select it, cut and paste, and if you're technical, you may embed it on your mobile phone, or you could even put it in your Facebook profile, given your privacy settings. So anyway, this is the bit I'm working on. And so from UI point of view, lots of things to do with CSS to sort out, but let's say we have multiple experiments selected. So we need some sort of dashboard mode, per experiment, multi-experiment, do a comparison, something like that. And so the idea is you just can take these from one to the next experiment. And so let's say this is wearables, heart rate, and I've got temperature per day, per minute, or same sort of time series. Then I can then basically just collide the charts and then get a brand new chart with the two. And then the third part would be, I want to correlate to see if there's a, more active when it's warmer, or humidity and stuff. So this is the goal, to make it so simple to do these cross data silo computations. And of course, behind the scenes, this knowledge bundle ledger is giving you the evidence that all that's happened, and obviously perfect recall to track it over time.